today's video, we are going to be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into PHP Mortgage. So if you guys do not know what PHP Mortgage is, then basically it's a website where you guys can buy and sell a house. Basically, it's like a real estate, related website where you guys can do stuff related with house, alright? So let me teach you guys how you guys can log in into it. So the first step is you want to go to your search engine and you want to search for PHP Mortgage account login. Once you search for it, you want to click on the first thing where it says PHH Mortgage. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to PHH Mortgage official website over here. Now once you're over here, basically you want to click on where it says login. Now if you guys do not have an account, you want to click on get started. But since we want to log in, that means we already have an account. We are going to click on login. And you're going to click on Mortgage Center login. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to its login site. Now once you're in its login site, you want to click on where it says sign in. Once you click on sign in, it's going to ask you to enter all the necessary credentials for logging in into your account. So you need to wait for some time. It's taking us to its website over here. Now once you're over here, you need to enter the username of your account and password. Once you enter the username and password of your account, you want to click on login. And if your username and password is correct, you should be able to log in. And if it is incorrect, you are not going to be able to log in. So make sure to double check and enter correct username and password and click on login, and you should be able to log in into your account. And before logging in, you need to tick mark this as well, and you should be able to log in. And if you guys do not have an account, you can click on register your account to create yourself an account as well. So that's basically how you guys can log in into PHP Mortgage.